Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a redeem code within the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device and log in if you haven't done so already, or sign up to create a new account. After creating a new account and starting a new game, you will need to complete the intro missions first. After completing the intro missions, you will gain access to the character that you have chosen. Now from this page, tap on the escape button within your keyboard, and now you will be taken into the pause menu. From here, click on the more option, and now you will see the redemption code screen. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can just enter the redeem code. Type in the code within the given box, and then click on the redeem button, and now your code will be redeemed, and the reward will be added to your game account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a code within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.